Hey guys, hello, how are you doing? I hope you're popping. I know you're popping. So today guys, as you can see, my beautiful model, I'm going to be using this to contour her face, using some of them to bake, using some of them to highlight, a lot of stuff. You can use it as an overall powder
as well. Yeah.
So we're going to be using this one, okay? Also, I'm going to put the link. So she sells this, okay? She sells this on Facebook, right?
It's on Facebook Marketplace, on Instagram, and also I will drop my contact below. So if you want it, I can send it to you directly.
Okay, so if you just get this, you don't need to be a makeup artist to own this, okay? Yeah. As an individual, you need a lot of different shades, okay? Because you can use some to contour, use some to blend it out, use some under your eyes. With this palette, you're ready to go, and it's affordable. And it's affordable.
You can get it as a gift for your loved ones.
It's for Christmas.
Yeah, so it's very good. It's very good.
Yeah. Also, ta-da! Yeah, this is a highlighter palette. We've got different shades, okay, for all skin types. Apart from it being for all skin types, you can mix them, okay? You can mix them. Okay, and you can wear if you're wearing like a pink blush, you can use this one. So it depends on the mood, okay? So you can mix and match. With this one, you're ready to be poppy.
Yes. It's very good product.
So. Yes, very good. Yeah. So we're not gonna be talking, you guys, because we're gonna keep this video quick. We don't want to bore you guys, okay? Yeah. Because me and I are gonna have a lot to catch up, and I don't want you guys to be hearing our gist, okay?
Yes.
We're gonna come back at the end of this video to show you guys this palette again, but we're doing makeup and Gele, okay? Yeah. So this is our Gele, okay? You see, so stay tuned. When we come back, she's gonna be popping. You guys, make sure
I'm going to be wow.
Yeah,
wow.
Make sure you show me some love. You see me? Make sure you show me some love. Make sure you show Agatha some love as well. Check out her palette, okay?
So we finished with the makeup now. You can see how I'm popping. It really look good. So these are the products that we use. The highlighter for my cheek, my forehead, my chin bone, and my nose bridge. And this powder we use as well. You can see everything is blended well. This is really a good buy for all makeup artists, and for those that just want it as a personal product to use. Is very good as well. And even for a gift for this Christmas, it's really good. It's quite affordable. So I'm going to put my details on the description box so that you can contact me. You can order for Facebook Market, Instagram. My Instagram page is Agatha Philip Pro. I'm going to put it on the description box so that you see it. It's really a good product. Don't miss it. It's really nice. You can see how I'm popping. See, I'm looking beautiful. So please do patronize me and buy one for a gift for yourself as a makeup artist and for others as well. Thank you.
So guys, this is the final look. She is popping.
Yes.
I told you guys she's gonna pop, she's gonna slay. Because that's what we do here. Okay? We don't take it easy here. We pop and pop. As you can tell.
Yeah, you can see I'm looking really good. Like a new bride.
Yeah. All her details I'm gonna put in the description box so you guys can check it out. As you can tell, that's what we use here, and she is lame, she is popping. Nobody can tell her nothing.
So
yeah, guys, please subscribe, okay? Subscribe, like, share. If you want me to come here more often, share, okay?
Yes, please.
Thumbs up this video and share with your family and friends. And season's greetings.
All right. Thank you for watching. Bye.